let's look at this hyperbolic function question. It says find the equation of a hyperbola that passes through points, this point and this point. To find the equation, you're going to use this formula. You're going to say y is equals to k divided by x plus q. Next, we're going to substitute. We're going to start with this point. We're going to say here on y, we're going to put -1 over 3 equal k. On x, we're going to put -9. We're going to say plus q. Next, you can say -1 over 3 plus k over 9 is equals to q. Here we just took this fraction to this side. That is why it is positive. Next, you can say this is equation number 1. Next, we're going to use these points. Same thing, you're going to say y is equals to k plus q. Here on y, you're going to put 1 equal k. The value of x here, it is 3. 3 plus q. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to say 1 minus k divided by 3. You took this fraction to this side. And you're going to say equals to q. And I have equation number 2. Next, as you can see here, we have q, q. This and this, both of them equals to q. You're going to equate this and this. You're going to say -1 over 3 plus k divided by 9 is equals to this 1 minus k over 3. Both of them are equals to q. That is why we equate them here. Next, you're going to do this. You're going to say 1 divided by 3 is negative. You're going to take this 1 to this side. It's going to be -1. Next, we're going to say equals to negative k divided by 3. Next, we're going to take this k divided by 9 to this side. Going to be negative k divided by 9. Next, you're going to find the value for here and here. Now, -1 divided by 3 minus 1. The answer, it is -4 divided by 3. Next, this side is going to be -4 divided by 9k. Now you're going to divide both sides by -4 over 9. -4 divided by 9, -4 divided by 9. This will cancel this. Then you're going to remain with k here. This divided by this, the answer will be 3. Now we have the value for k. Now we should find the value for q. Since now we have this value of k, you can substitute it on equation number 1 or equation number 2. The answer will be the same. Here I'm going to choose equation number 2. Then I'm going to say 1 minus k divided by 3 is equal to q, is equation number 2, this one. Next, we're going to substitute the value of k, which is 3. We're going to say 1 minus 3 divided by 3, which will be equals to q. Now it's going to be 1 minus 3 divided by 3, it is 1 q. Then the value of q here, it is 0. Now to write the equation, since the question says find the equation, we have something like this. Y is equals to k x plus q. Here now we have the value for k. The value for k, it is what? It is 3. 3 divided by x plus the value for q is what? It is 0. I'm going to say 0 here. Then this is the same thing as 3 divided by x. That is the equation and the answer.